So the first section we're going to take a look at is model-based definition. Now, if you're not familiar with model-based definition, this is an integrated solution inside of SOLIDWORKS that provides an alternative to creating 2D drawings. Inside of model-based definition, we're still going to be able to capture all of our PMI data. It's just we're keeping everything in a 3D format. 3D views allow us to specify right views, top views, isometric views, all of our industry standards while maintaining PMI information. What we're going to see inside of 2021 is that model-based definition fully supports datum targets. Datum targets can be instrumental when there's a mating part or a fixture associated to this design. Locating dimensions are also fully supported and can be fully edited to update the location of these datum targets. Let's go ahead and create our own datum target on the right-hand side of this component. The first item that we're going to click is going to be the datum reference framework, which is going to be datum A in this case. From there, we can place the balloon. Now, this can be defined as either a point, a circle, or a rectangle. For this, we're going to make it a 1/4 inch circle target. Next, we're going to add locating dimensions. We want this to define the position, and for this target, it's going to be 1 inch from the side and then 1.75 inches from this bottom portion. Once this is fully defined, we can update any relevant 3D views and capture this to be output in a 3D PDF or eDrawings file. Now, this is a sheet metal part. Flat patterns, along with bend tables and bend notes, have been available in 3D views for quite a while. Where 2021 is taking this to a new level is that the bend tables will behave similar to a bill of materials in how it exports to a 3D PDF. It's going to be highly integrated. So I'm going to choose all of my views to export, choose all of my custom properties. I'm going to finish this package by adding my Step 242 file and my DXF of my flat pattern as the attachments. I can then choose all of the relevant columns for my bend table. And as an end result, we can see what this looks like. I have everything fully documented. It's easy to read, it's concise, I can see it in 3D space. I still have all of my associated views that I need, as well as capturing all of my datum targets, and my flat pattern is also associated to the bend table on the left. Very easy to read and very concise for my manufacturing team.